And starting with the first category, which is Warehouse Investor of the Year, I'd like to call up Robert Dobzhitsky from Panattoni to help us give this award away.
And here are the nominees: Blue House Capital, CBRE Global Investors, TDS, Griffin Real Estate,
Welcome back.
Invesco Real Estate, RAI Co,
They told me Robert.
WP
so
Capital.
I know you're married.
And who is the winner?
The winner is CBRE Global Investors.
Everybody had a bushy blonde hair, serving you
Congratulations, welcome.
Hello, good evening. Thanks a lot for this award. It's a great pleasure to receive that. As you probably know, we've been investing into logistics since last 4 years. There's more to come, so hopefully next year we'll see each other again. Thank you.
Great, and please come join us for a photo up here.